back here at the arena in San Juan. That was the lucky shot by Vargas.
Ayan, no, that ball was really, in fact, it came from almost the second row, no? Dahil malayo yung set. Pinanood lang nila.
Gusto ko sila introduce to each other.
Into the ball, of course. Here's the ball.
Kahiyaan sila eh. Sabi nga nila sa volleyball, hindi pwede.
Oo.
Hindi pwedeng nagkakahiyaan.
And 16-12, 4 points to lamang. Of course, Coach Nes Pamilar still up on his feet together with Coach Oji Mamon.
Condition din si Coach Nes.
Oo, kanina pa.
Off the block, point for FEU.
So hard to stop Vargas when she gets that good set with the right distance from the net. Alam niya kaya niyang itulak palabas or into the block with the power that she has.
Natural, no? Natural, inherent power that Coach Nes is trying to harness.
Nice controlled serve from Vargas.
Back set.
Ooh!
Again, usually pag hinabol mo ng kamay.
That's right. Tumalon pa nga si Giselle eh. So there's a good chance that ball was on its way out.
And you know, also, scouting report, when Ortiz goes for that running kill, almost all the time, it's cross-court.
Cross-court, yeah. Push there from Eulalia. Let's see if they save it.
Nobody home. Good effort.
Karangan tries to save it. Doesn't cross.
That's Karangan. Brought in for defense. Karangan was also a former libero.
Tatlo nga yan sila pwede dyan sa UST.
So Coach Oji seeing the need for more defense. Back row defense, in fact. Again,
this time she proves me wrong.
Boom, boom naman, sabi niya.
Give me more.
Nalulusot sa down the line.
18 serving 14 now. Giselle C. Eulalia trying to return the favor, but she was not with that ball all throughout that height.
That's right, that's right.
Kinalamang na UST and a dangerous time too at 19-14.
14, FEU.
Wala naman ibang papalo na, di ba? Birang-bira, bibigyan nyo offense figer na yun. Blacker, tingnan, anticipate nyo na, nagdudunan lagi bibigay ang bola. Wala na eh, nasa dulo naman, hindi masyadong papalo yun. Bigyan mo na, mataasan mo na ang porsyento sa kanya. Kausapin mo, magtabi na, tapatan mo na, magtatabi kayo. Kapag binato sa dulo, tsaka ka umabol eh. Ikaw kung nanonood ka na.
That's a man who has seen it all and done it all.
Yeah. Coach Nes telling the girls that while Ortiz is in the front row, make sure na siya ang una niyong tignan. No? Kasi nakailang puntos si Ortiz with that running spike and the block always came in late. So, make sure that there's always a man guarding Ortiz. Ayan, sa kanya na naman. This time, Eulalia was right there.
Coach knows best.
Ayan, exacto. That's what they did. Didn't leave Ortiz to have that quick play all to herself.
And Eulalio's on deck to serve for FEU. Down 4, 15 serving 19. Reverse set to Reyes. Taken easily by Eulalio. Bagang now.
Bagang off the hands of
Karangan.
16 to 19.
That's like a gimme already.
Coach wants a timeout.
Wow, with a 3-point lead, Coach Mamon calling this timeout.
Rather timeout.
Let's listen in.
Score 19 UST 16.
Buhay pa rin yata yung mismatch doon. Sino mismatch doon? Yung number 6 nila at saka si Giselle nasa dulo, yung gitna lang ang matibay. Sa akin, ba't naman yung transition? Umaatake tayo, aatake tayo ngayon. Ngayon, pagbalik, sinong pa-aatakihin nila? Yung number 6 ba o yung number 2? Ilang tao ngayon? Kaliweto yun. Ha? Tingin agad.
Of course, they're talking about Rochelle Bagang. from the FEU side.
That's right, that's right. And I like the way Coach Oji said it. Buhay pa yung mismatch. Ibig sabihin, take advantage of it. Nandiyan pa eh. The front row is still there. You've got Ortiz still in the front row.
They only have Giselle C.
Yes.
and Bagang
Oh, that's
and
true.
Rojas in that front line. So not a solid blocking front line. Vallejo through the block. Regalo.
Ortiz at the net.
Ortiz.
Asserting herself here.
Oh, that free ball going straight at her, what she did, push it into the net. Talagang hindi na makukuha ng ano. Ganun ang dapat actually ang push when it comes to those free balls. Hindi mo nabigyan ng chance na madampot pa ng depensa.
Back row attack. Oh, sila pa ang nabigyan ng free ball ngayon. Reyes backtracks. Vargas takes it. See, Rojas the lefty, always a tough cover.
That's right, that's right.
17-20.
Great set there for Rojas. Didn't rush things. It was a well-set play from Giselle.
Ang hirap talaga checking.
Again, that opening in the block.
Win
Hindi
back.
pwede if you're blocking a left-handed attacker. Kailangan yung seradong-serado.
And now Vargas is back in the front line for FEU.
Wow.
Caballero. On the
Great
line.
leap.
Yes.
Great approach.
Great approach.
Bagang will move out. Diego for FEU will come in. That's Charlene and Diego. As UST is inching closer to taking set number 3. Misreceived. Manatikla is back in the front row. Agno easily takes it. Vargas trying to return the favor. And again, just the solid strength.
That's right.
18-21. Substitution.
Wow, she just
7 out.
is so hard to stop. Pag maganda yung sa kanya, and every time she gives it that, you know, that full swing, full approach. Nako, hirap.
Now they have a full complement
Yes,
of attackers.
that's right,
Talking
that's
about FEU. Oh, a thing of beauty. Banatikla almost getting the front line spike. Oh, look at the angle of her body. Full swing. Full flick of the wrist.
Vargas, she was backpedaling. Didn't expect that ball was going to be that fast going to that corner.
It's beautiful. And now things falling apart here for FEU. Down 5. 23.
FEU. 18. FEU. 23. UST.
Hindi magbibilisan ng receive. Taas mo lang. Naintindihan? Sige, sige.
Kaya natin to, isa-isay natin na.
Kung nawawala yung sa receipt tayo nagkakaproblema. Ha? Sige, sige.
Hindi pa tapos yan.
Kailangan kumapit nitong
That's right.
FEU ngayon.
Reception is really their main problem right now, according to Coach Ness. And Giliego was brought in to receive. Sabi ni Coach Ness, taas mo lang, hindi kailangan mabilis yung dating ng bola kay Giselle.
Vallejo though, always a good server. Vargas. Rojas with the left hand. Banatikla asking for it. Diego taking it. Vargas on the other side. Gets it in.
Corner pocket.
Wow, this time she
19,
clears the block,
23.
finds that corner, down the line. Again, with the power that she always gets into that hit.
Amazing job by Giselle C here. Keeping this thing together. 19, serving 23. Misreceived. Free ball for FEU. Quickly to Eulalio. Check in the middle. Vargas na naman. Delayed by the block. Banatikla launches. And the setup to Vargas again.
Nice.
9 out of 10.
May hulog.
May 8 out of 10 siya ngayon. Dalawa na yan eh.
Wow, FEU making a run here.
Look at that. A controlled
Oh.
tip this time.
Sinabayan lang yung pag-angat ng bola.
Hindi yung lalagyan pa niya ng
Yes,
lobo.
oo, sinabayan lang.
Yun ang hindi pa niya masyadong namamaster. But that looked good. Perfect right there.
Ooh, poor reception there from UST.
You can bet Coach Mamon's going to call a timeout if FEU scores here.
Oh! Oh, this is going to be a...
Referee says. Oh, they correct it. They correct it. Coach is going berserk here. Let's see. Touch. Check ball.
Coach Ness is turning red.
No, he was jumping in his complaint. And Ness is already complaining to you.
No to you, Boom.
And I was about to say,
What tinuro mo sa akin?
the worst person to talk to at this moment is Doc Ian Laurel. Actually, tayong dalawa.
Wala tayong magagawa eh. But, well, obviously, it's the linesman was right on top
Yes.
of the play. And Coach Ness is just trying to stress his point.
Giselle C, the captain now.
That, that's why the line... Because he's saying that this is the second non-call by our second referee, Efren Gaa.
Warning ang tinawag. Coach Mamon wags the finger
Score 23.
at the referees.
21. FE.
Let's listen to
Pag-serve
this.
sila, atake tayo. So, advantage. Okay. Rayam. Jump mo. Pag dinukot nila, go to the referee. Okay? Hindi ka pupunta doon para contest ang tawag niya, you clarify the call. Authorized ka, ikaw team captain. Okay? Ito ba naman natin? Sa kabila sila. Lahat kayo dyan magkakakampi.
Things are getting really heated here in the arena.
That's right. And our viewers are learning a lot. No? Maganda yung sinabi ni Coach Mamon na, Rhea, you're the only one allowed to talk to the referee because you're the team captain. So wag kang magdalawang isip. If you want to contest a call, you can.
21 serving 23. And they go to Panatikla. Offensive block. Banyel and Eulalio collaborating. They are behind only by one. This is 23-18.
It seems that the energy of Coach Ness has been transferred.
Chance for FEU to tie. Eulalio puts it away. And we're tied at 23 all. What an amazing set by Giselle C. Perfect.
That's right. Getting it between the blockers. We're tied at 23. Coach Ness had to complain about that call, Boom.
Oh! A great serve by Rojas. Mishandled by Caballero. And just like that, 4 points, 5 points actually down. They are at set point. 24, serving 23. FEU showing some grit here.
Oh!
Behind the exploits of Coach Ness Pamilar. Chance for FEU. Vargas, masyado malapit sa net. And it's a check ball.
That's right, into the block.
And look at that.
UST not knowing what hit them.
23-18, Ian, was the score.
Nakatulog eh.
Some calls take a life of their own.
That's right, that's right. Absolutely, Boom.
Yun yung sinasabi natin, that teams lose focus because of certain calls, even if it doesn't involve them.
That's right.
And this is what happened. And the drama continues here in UAP Women's Volleyball.